oil change and transmission fluid change on a Moomba Kaiyen 2023. .400 Raptor engine. Here's your engine oil drain. Can you shine a light over here, Todd? It's tied up to the side right there, so we're going to just disconnect that and feed that through the drain plug in the bottom of the boat. Okay, so the oil canister is right here with the drop-in filter, and it's a 36 millimeter, so we're going to unscrew that. We have our old filter that came out the housing. Here's our new filter. We're going to go in with a Kaiyen filter 7010.
Alright.
Okay, so we're gonna unscrew the drain plug to feed the hose through. Okay, we're gonna want to move the steering wheel all the way to the right, so that way the rudder moves out of the way, so that way we can feed the oil drain hose through the boat drain plug. Okay, we got the drain hose through the boat drain plug, and now we're gonna disconnect this and put the oil catch under it, so that way everything drains out. Hold on. The oil was coming out pretty slow, so we hooked up a air pump to the vent line to help push out the oil and sped it up by a good bit, but even with that it still took a long time for the oil to come out. So I think it probably took about 30-45 minutes even with this, and without it probably would have taken over an hour. So now we're pumping out the transmission fluid by the pump extractor.